Ahead of crucial Punjab Assembly elections, Prime Minister Modi will visit Firozpur to lay foundation stone of multiple development projects worth more than 42,750 crore rupees. It's going to be his first visit to Punjab after scrapping farm laws. Take a look at the report.
जैसी अनुभूति आप सभी को कार सेवा के समय होती है, अभी इस पल मुझे भी वही भाव अनुभव होता है।
Prime Minister Modi's visit to Punjab on Wednesday is significant because it will be the first after he repealed the 3 farm laws that had caused much angst among the farmers of the state. The PM has chosen Firozpur, the stronghold of estranged ally, the Akali Dal, to flag off some big-ticket projects for Punjab.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi kick-starting his rally right here in Firozpur. We are looking at the ground preparations. We are on a tractor. They are trying to ensure they level the ground, put the water down so that the entire soil and dust which really comes up is settled down. Look at the VVIP cars. Look at the posse of policemen, SPG security there. Right in front is what you see is the wall to the PGI satellite center, the inauguration of which will be done by the Prime Minister. That's the tent where he will be speaking on. And 450 crore is the project, and that is going to be a relief for the people of Firozpur and the region of Malwa.
Modi will be laying the foundation stone for the PGI satellite center in Firozpur.
PGI सेंटर ये फिरोजपुर में होने से बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। 100 बेड की यहाँ अस्पताल बनेगी और सारी व्यवस्था यहाँ होगी। यहाँ से PGI सेंटर चंडीगढ़ 200 किलोमीटर दूर होता है और टर्शरी केयर के लिए यहाँ से मरीज को वहाँ तक जाने की बाद में नौबत नहीं आएगी।
The Prime Minister will address a rally, an event being seen as a show of strength ahead of the upcoming polls.
If he is having a rally in Firozpur, is a very significant political message in and of itself.
What about the outreach to the farmers? They are the ones, at least 9 farms.
Believe me, there are discussions going on. There are discussions will go on between different people. They also want to do this. You can't have a situation where you agitate if there are laws, you agitate even if the laws have been repealed. They got what they wanted.
The town, located 250 kilometers from Chandigarh, has laid the red carpet out for Modi.
जो पंजाब में रैलीज होती हैं पीएम की या सीएम की किसी भी ऐसी डेजिग्नेशन की, तो वो ज़्यादातर जो एरिया चूज़ करते हैं वो मोगा लुधियाना जो सेंटर में होता है पंजाब के। तो इस बार उन्होंने फिरोजपुर चूज़ किया है, तो हो सकता है कि इसके लिए कोई इंडस्ट्रियल पैकेज हो, एग्रीकल्चर पैकेज हो, जिसके कारण वो हो सकता है इसको डेवलप करना चाह रहे हों।
But a section of farmers have decided to hold a protest against the Prime Minister.
ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਪੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਪਈਆਂ ਮੰਗਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਕਰੋ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਐਲਾਨ ਕਰੋ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਜੀਤ ਸੱਦ ਕੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਰੈਲੀ ਕਰੋ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਇਤਰਾਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ। ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਮੰਗਾਂ ਹੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਆਉਣ ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਜ਼ਬਰਦਸਤ ਸਖਤ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ।
The opposition too launched an attack on Modi, saying it was only because of elections that he was visiting the state.
प्रधानमंत्री 5 साल बाद आ रहे हैं। नवजोत सिद्धू यहाँ 5 साल गुत्थम गुत्ती होकर रहा है, और जब उन्होंने राज्यसभा दी थी पंजाब से दूर रहने की, सिद्धू तब इस्तीफा देके आया था।
After the farm law standoff, the BJP feels it has lot of ground to cover up in Punjab. The party, which will be fighting the elections with Captain Amrinder Singh, will be hoping that the Prime Minister's rally will give the party the perfect launchpad for its poll campaign. With Kamaljeet Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.